Doha, state of Qatar, your gateway to the world. The local time here is 53 minutes past the hour of 11 in the morning. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has completely stopped. The seatbelt sign is switched off. Please take care when opening overhead sewage compartments. Ensure that you have all your personal belongings and travel documents with you as you disembark the aircraft. Remember that smoking is not permitted until you are within the designated